Hey guys, I hope that you are doing fine, and I'm fine too. So today we're going to talk about some of the pairs that are going to be on my watch for today. It is Tuesday, by the way. So okay, let's start with the GXY. I'm live right now, Nipple Live. I'm live on USD card. Let's see what you're going to get. Let's see what you're gonna get on USD card. I'm live right now. I set my entry there, buy stop, my buy stop there. So let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, I'm going to start with the DXY, my determiner for the dollar rated pairs. Yes, the card's been moving nicely as we are approaching. So we are moving down and now we started moving up. And right now we are approaching this area here. So let me see if continuation is more than 50%. Let's see if we have exceeded 50%. Not yet, not yet. So still reasonable because once we exceed 50%, I mean, if we come to up to this area, break this area and make another continuation, maybe a move to this high. So if something like this happen, then we'll be looking for an outdoor related pairs to move down. But right now we are mostly expecting this to come up to this high and give us the structures keep, to keep pushing low. So this is what we are mostly expected. But we are prepared for both scenarios. So if we move down, on dollar pairs we move up. If we move up on dollar pairs we move down. So these are the pairs on my watch. As you can see, USD card is mostly likely to come up to this high, and I'm watching it very closely to see if it's going to commit to fill this high here. Yeah, yeah. You might get something like 1 2 3 here, 1 2, maybe third touch, or if we break, anything can happen from here. So I'm watching it very closely to see what we're gonna get next. And I'm live right now. Nime enter hit trade. Nipo live night trade. Let's see what we're going to get on this trade. So and it's a beautiful continuation. So let's wait and see how it's going to develop. Okay, Eurocards, yes, Eurocard is been moving down since we have reached this area. We are more likely to move down, but I know we have this area we might come to. So right now, I'm waiting to see if we are going to commit. You can see we have a continuation here. If we are going to commit to keep pushing down, or or if not, I want to see what we could get once we break this. Maybe we might break here and keep pushing up. So I'm waiting to see on both scenarios what we are going to get here. To see most likely to fill those areas there. Okay, I don't like the continuation. There's no entry for me here, so I'm just going to avoid it and to see how it's coming. So I'm watching it very closely. Last one is Euro, Australian dollar. So Australian dollar, waiting it to commit. It's mostly likely to fill this high, this low, and you can see I was waiting for this structure for a long time, and now we have an entry here. Okay, this was a low time. This was 5 minutes entry. I missed it. Okay, an entry here for yeah, entry here, and wait it to go up to this low here. This could be that's one low time frame. Okay, I missed it, and it's okay because also the positioning also matters to me. As you can see, we are most likely approaching to this low, so chances of this retracing back are very high because of the positioning. That's why I was not very concerned about the entry here. Oh no, these are my three my main on my main pairs on watch, but I have additional ones that I'll be looking also very closely. So, you can see the silver dollar. I'm watching it very closely. It's like you're forming the younger version of this one. Not only the younger version, but also you can see on higher time frame that we are more likely to commit up to this law. We are more likely to commit up to this law. So chances this on silver is the same as on gold. The move on silver is similar to that of the gold. So we are waiting. For me right now, I'm just waiting for a perfect area to just enter on this trade because I know it's going to commit either ways. Yeah. With that, it might move up. Yes, we have reached the value of area. We might uh, get things like this to keep pushing up. Oh, you can see right now it's more likely to push down. It's like forming the younger version of this one. We might, you see, this is what is happening right now. We can break and get a structure to keep pushing down. So I'm just watching this very closely. Euro dollar, not going to talk about it, but lastly, I want to talk about JP 255. You can see we have break this area here. So if we break this area, we break this area, and now I'm expecting okay, what is this? Very strong things, yeah. So right now I'm expecting it. It's more likely to commit right now, and we are going to have beautiful things. You see, if you go to the lower time frame like 1 hour, you can see this one as it was very noisy things, but once you come to higher time frame like 4 hour, you can see that this was a continuation for an entry. So those who take higher time frame trades, this could be a easy one for reduce the risk, although it was higher risky if you would set it like this one. high in risk, so that's why I didn't take it. So what I'm waiting right now, I'm waiting for this one, and I see this one is very beautiful. It's committing. I'm waiting to see we get a continuation down here. I'm waiting to see that we get a continuation down here to keep pushing low. And the chances of it are more likely to come up to this low here. To come up to this low here. So we have a lot of area here to fill this all this area to fill. So let's watch and see what we are going to get. This one I'm going to add it here as highlight on highlight high alert. So wait and see. Let's wait and see. GPY. Yeah. Let's see. Delete this one. Let me delete this one. Okay, this one I'm just going to leave it. We broke this high and we did it again. If we are most likely to keep pushing down, so I'm waiting to see. But I don't like the quotation that is found there. Okay, this one is pushing up as we expected. We delete this one. We want to come to fill this area here, all this one. And it's committing very beautiful. Uh, committing very beautiful. Don't know if we have. It's like a reverse version of Aozidora. So I'm just going to be careful with this one. It's like they are reverse. Okay. So these one are the pairs on my watch for today, and I'm watching them very closely to see what's going to happen next. So guys, hope you enjoy the video and see you on my next video.